guys, it's Tassie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Jolly Rancher Herbalife tea. This is just the flavoring that we put on our teas. It doesn't actually have our tea concentrate in it. This is just a flavoring that we'll put on it. You will need a 2-gallon container, a shaker cup. In the shaker cup, you're going to fill it to 8 ounces of hot water. You're going to need blue glass stevia and blue raspberry stevia. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of the blue raspberry stevia and 1 tablespoon of the blue glass stevia. And shake it up in your shaker cup. Make sure you're leaving room in your 2-gallon container to add this and a Mio. But add it in. Make sure you get all the flavoring out of the shaker cup. You're going to need berry pomegranate Mio, and on this I added about 1/4 of the Mio, and then